Hi, this is Grant, and this is the first snowfall of January 2024 here in southern New Hampshire, in Manchester, New Hampshire. I measured on my car 7 inches on the snow. This is also the first storm of the official start of winter 2023-24. So now we have a real winter wonderland, and that car in front of you is mine. Doing a video, sorry. So this is winter wonderland. Sorry, one of my neighbors just stepped in front. So this is winter wonderland January 2024. Let's see what it looks on the other side. Said again, about 7 inches has fallen. 9 was predicted, so this is actually better than was expected. That's my neighbors across the street. This is all the pretty snow, and as you can see, it's still coming down. I'm not sure how much is coming down, but it's supposed to be near the end. So, very pretty, and also very cold, and the plows are here. So I'm going to head back to my car and dig it out.